Alright, here I got the HP 14AN012 NR laptop, and when I opened it, I was looking for a spot to put the hard drive I'm about to put in because it only has 30 gigs, and this was the only adapter I found to put one in, but I don't have the wires for it. So I was just looking for it. I was like, what am I going to do with 30 gigs and installing Windows in it, Windows 10? I only had like 7 gigs of leeway to have anything on it. So I was like, I got to find a solution. So what I did was, I don't know, I was just looking around. I was like, damn, I can't find where the heck the hard drive goes. Or where the hard drive's at, you know? And then I was looking around and I saw this right here. And if you take this part out, just pull this lever right here up, and then you should be able to pull it out. And when I moved it, I saw this right here, and I looked at my hard drive, and it has like the same adapters in it, you know. So then I was like, I measured it, and I was like, okay, it fits. Then so basically I'm gonna try it after this, but then again I gotta let you guys know that when you remove it, you still can't pull this out to put your hard drive in. You have to take this screw out, and there's another screw right here, and this one well, you don't have to take nothing out right here, but you just gotta remove this, and then this screw, I mean, you could take that out too if you want, but then it's just pretty stuck. It's pretty stable, so I'm not worried about that. I just push that to the side, and then right here, you're just gonna have to remove this screw. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a screw right here. Remove that, and then this should come right off. And then once this comes right off, you can pull it out. So I'm about to pull it out. It's funny though, because see, this is it. This is your hard drive. Just a little piece right here. What a cheap, crappy little shit that is. But anyways, this right here is just weight. I was like, are you guys serious? This feels like probably like 4 ounces of weight right here. If you guys ever go fishing, you know how that feels. Well, you know how it feels, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I'm gonna put this hard drive in there from my old laptop, from my old HP laptop, and it's 500 gigabytes. So yeah, awesome for me. Alrighty, thanks for watching.